Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. Today I will tell you about how to change margins in Microsoft Word. Follow these steps here. The second one, open your document. Open your Word document you want to edit. Number two, select layout. Go to the layout tab at the top of the windows. 3. Choose margins. In the layout tab, you will see a selection label margins. Click on it. And 4. Select a present margins. You can choose from various present margin like normal, narrow, wide, or you can choose custom margin to set your own. 5. Customer margins optional. If you choose custom margin, a dialog box will appear what you can specify extra margin for top, bottom, left, and right margins. 6. Apply change. You can select your design margin. Click the OK button to apply the change. This is your margin, so we adjust according to your selection. That's all for me. Thank you. Bye.